Similarly, cancer really increasing in terms of its visibility now. Maybe people died of cancer earlier, but now they're discovering that they are dying from this, and that we are seeing unhealthy air around us. Delhi, of course, is a city which always is talked about, and a lot of other cities. So there is an issue. This is a growing ailment as well. Similarly, liver disorders, fatty livers, big issue, 18 lakhs, and kidney conditions, at least 4 lakhs. And these are just the treatment costs. And if you go to there'll be sublimits in most indemnity products. 67% of this cost, therefore, it is not borne by companies, their employers, or it is not borne by the health insurance companies as well, because there's sublimits and there's a whole lot that happens around health. They are to manage healthcare expenses. The different kind of cover, the 1 year renewable health cover that you know. It's something that you should always have. It covers your medical, it has the floater options, it can therefore cover for your family medicals as well. It will have sublimits on everything. It's a reimbursement. They would have had deals with the doctor so much. What if there's more? And I've been through somebody close to me in my nucleus family had to go through a procedure. The limit put by the best GI cover was 1 lakh rupees. अब जो भी आप सोचे नहीं सोचे, मेरे को to my loved one I wanted her to go through this doctor only. I was very clear. किसी और डॉक्टर को नहीं देना था. अब कवर आपको सिर्फ 1 लाख का ही मिला. लेकिन there is a portion that is not covered in reimbursement always. They'll put sublimits, but you have to have that. You have to have at least that much. Then you can have hospital daily cash benefit plans. These are plans. There can be two kinds again. There can be reimbursement plans and there can be benefit plans. Benefit plans, or in fact, this is something I want to put across to the media because lots of people don't know this. So, अगर आपको let's say hospitalization की जरूरत पड़ी किसी को cancer था, as long as you're detected for cancer, a benefit plan, no questions asked, pays you the entire amount. वो ये नहीं बोलता कि कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट में इतना फिर इतना फिर इतना फिर इतना छोटी छोटी प्रोसीजर्स में कितना. So which is why we are launching critical illness plans. Basically cover your all critical illnesses, and these are benefit plans. Life insurance companies do market में नहीं है, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है. So I'm putting it across to you. The benefit last year 1000 crore का premium आया है benefit में. No questions asked, ailment discovered, all money paid out in one go. 4-5 दिन में ठीक होने वाली चीज नहीं है. इसमें टाइम लगता है. Could be a month, 3 months, 6 months, could be longer. So somebody is losing income for sure. There is a lot of other expenses that happen. There are a lot of strain on finances. There are a lot of other additional treatments. Now, even if there's a regular hospitalization you've been through and got a reimbursement, फिर से checkups के लिए गए, वो सब तो cover नहीं होता है ना. वो तो एक बार जो hospitalization होता है मिल जाता है. In the case of a critical illness, these second opinions, other medicines, these extras sometimes contribute to more than 50% of the total expenses, and that is not covered by your reimbursement plans. That is where a benefit plan comes in. No questions asked, is pays you the amount. A lump sum benefit is paid. So you took a cover, somebody had cancer, took a cover for 10 lakhs, 10 lakh benefit plan, 10 lakh given. 10 lakh given. You want to go and get yourself checked in the US, India, Singapore, wherever, no questions asked. We are not going to be asking you, ये चेक के लिए इतना क्यों किया, ये इसके लिए इतना क्यों खर्चा किया, no questions asked. आपको बाद में खर्चा है डॉक्टर का, there is money made available. So just to come back to this, I'll go back a step. You need all of these. In fact, I would add another one. You typically require a permanent disability cover as well. When you're not taken care of by the government, you're required to do all these. A benefit plan, therefore, these are the things that customers don't know about, which is why we are talking to you and telling you that these things are required. Not only for customers, for you as well. I require these plans. So fundamentally, the life goal there is to manage income erosion, manage a benefit that you require in one go, no questions, no embarrassments, financial support for treatments, and manage the strains that your financial, I'm saying basic things. Travel, who pays for your travel back and forth to the doctor 100 times? Nobody pays that. Extra opinion to bhul jaiye. The incidentals which don't come into your thought process are never covered. All this is covered in benefit plans because you just given one lump sum. Pay through one check for your entire family. So lots of features in this product. So up to 6 family members you can cover for critical illness with one check that you pay. It's a regular premium plan, हर साल पे करना है, बट एक ही चेक से हो जाएगा, यानी कि 4 लोगों को अलग से लेना पड़ेगा। फिर आप सोचते हैं करें कि नहीं करें, इसको क्यों करें। हाउस एंड चिल्ड्रन नॉर्मली 4 में हो जाता है, बट 6 हमने 6 तक रखे हैं। somebody has 4 children does not reduce the sum assured of the others. So what could happen is, suppose you decide पूरी फैमिली में 50 लाख का कवर होना चाहिए, मेन ब्रेड अर्नर का 20 होना चाहिए, नेक्स्ट का में भी 15 होना चाहिए, फिर बाकी 15 में भी, और 15 can be divided between other children if you have a family of 4. Somebody contracts a critical illness, the covers of others continue, the separate buckets created. So there is no, एक सबसे बड़ी इशू ये है लोगों को with health covers that आप हर साल प्रीमियम देते हैं, कुछ नहीं हुआ फिर भी देना पड़ता है, just for, there is also a waiver of premium. So in case to one individual something happens, so that person is covered and the premium is waived for that person. This is also unique in its own way. This is in case something happens. The kind of variance we have, now somebody might say कि मेरे को return of premium नहीं चाहिए. We kept a lot of flexibilities. You can pick and choose what you want. There is a ROP with the individual cover, and there is an ROP with the family cover, and you have without ROP also possible. Of course, premiums are a lot lesser for a critical long-term cover of 10 lakhs is paying 6,200 rupees of annual premium. Now, if you had, this is for 7 years payment and getting a 10-year cover. This is what we've talked about. There are also 20 years cover. 6,200 into 4. It's not that. They'll be discounted and made available a lot cheaper. So it comes to about 11,659 for 40 lakhs. I'll just go back and explain that to you. एक बंदे का cover 10 lakh का 6,200. 4 people in the family covered. Why are we able to do this? Is because हमारा जो sales cost है वो एक बारी में चला जाता है, because 4 people can be. It's almost like selling 4 policies. There are 36 critical illnesses, almost 96-97% of all critical illnesses that can possibly be thought critical illnesses. Otherwise, there's no point having a family cover. Any other thing that is caused, major organ issues, Alzheimer's, everything that is Alzheimer's picking up, but basically there's a bacterial disease, and how do you pronounce this? Encephalitis is also covered. So these are the 2 critical children as well. And we are now seeing that people catching critical illnesses, even for heart diseases, just simply the heart hasn't grown enough. I mean, you require these kind of covers even in younger age. The thing that people don't know, and I again want to tell you people that please make it more like an education thing for, अगर आपके पास अभी 2 जनरल इंश्योरेंस के प्लान्स हैं या एक जनरल इंश्योरेंस एक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कवर का प्लान है, all benefit plans from life insurance companies have this, but people don't know. People in my company didn't know. So this is very simple, but I want to tell you this. This should be very obvious to somebody from the insurance sector, but it's not so obvious. People who are manufacturing these products are going to buy it as well, so you feel comfortable. So we are not bothered about hospital bills. It's a benefit product. That's what I've been telling you. Lump sum on diagnosis. ये नहीं पूछेंगे कहाँ गए, क्या हुआ उसके बाद नहीं. Diagnosis happened, money paid. The minimum premium is 3,000. Maximum sum assured is 50 lakhs. This is the first time we're doing it. We kept it at 50. Our next version could maybe even be higher. And you can get covered up to 20 years. You have regular premium plans which can cover you up to 20 years. This critical illness is not something that's going to strike you tomorrow. Mostly you'll get some symptoms if it's going to be tomorrow. So you want a longer term cover. So 20 साल तक का cover है. So this is one policy, one premium check for the family, entirely covered. Basically, it's a positive thing to keep you, comforted around your goals that you can go and achieve, not worried about health covers. All family covered, premium in case only one person contracts it. Payout is in lump sum, no questions asked. I want to give you. And 36 critical illness including the ones that have children as well are covered.